Computers didn't start with screens and keyboards. Their story begins over 5,000 years ago with the abacus, a simple counting tool used by ancient civilizations. Fast forward to the 1800s, when mechanical calculators like Charles Babbage's difference engine laid the groundwork for programmable machines. But the real revolution that came in the 20th century, the 1940s, saw the birth of giant, room-sized computers like ENIAC. These machines used vacuum tubes, consumed massive power, and could barely perform basic calculations. By the 1950s, transistors replaced tubes, making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. These were still reserved for governments and universities. No home PCs yet. The invention of integrated circuits in the 1960s packed thousands of transistors onto tiny silicon chips. This birthed the modern computer era. In 1971, Intel released the first microprocessor, the 4004, a chip as powerful as ENIAC, but the size of a fingernail. The 1970s also gave us the first personal computers, like the Altair 8800, and the dawn of software with Microsoft's founding in 1975. The 1980s exploded with home computing. Apple's Macintosh introduced the graphical user interface. No more typing commands. IBM PCs dominated offices, and by the 1990s, laptops and Windows 95 brought computing to the masses. The internet's rise in the 90s connected everything, turning computers from tools into gateways to the world. The 2000s shrank computers further. Smartphones put the internet in our pockets. Cloud computing let us store data online, and social media redefined communication. By the 2010s, AI and machine learning began powering everything from voice assistants to self-driving cars. Computers were no longer just machines. They were intelligent partners. Today, quantum computers solve problems in minutes that would take traditional machines millennia. AI generates art, writes code, and even mimics human voices. The line between human and machine is blurring. Where next? Brain-computer interfaces? AI that outthinks us? One thing's certain, the evolution of computers is far from over. From beads on a string to AI in your pocket, computers have come a long way. What do you think the next big leap will be? Drop your predictions below.